You want to create a reel where you use your original audio and music. So how do you adjust the volume of music within your reel? Well, let me show you. Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, a digital course video producer based in Vancouver, Canada. I teach video production to service providers that they can film once to teach many. If you have a course idea and want to learn how to film yourself, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have new videos out every Wednesday. Okay, so the first thing you have to consider is when you add your music. You're not going to want to start by adding your music right from the get-go. Instead, you're going to want to start by creating your original audio. So record it without any additional music. So here we go. This is my original audio. There we go. So I recorded my original audio and now I want to add music. If I add music in this menu, you can see here, I go to preview, you're not going to hear the original audio. It's only going to show you that you're only going to be able to listen to the music. So let's take that out. There's my original audio. You're going to have to go to the preview button. So you can see here, you can hear my original audio yet again. And if I'm in this menu, I can go to the music icon and I can add music here. So let's add a song. There we go. Now you can see that both of these audio controls are at 100. That means that me speaking, the original audio is at 100% and the music track is also at 100%. I can control the audio output by moving these down, these bars down. So you can see that I can move them on my original audio, or I can move them on my music, or I can move on both. What I suggest is reducing your music audio so that it is no higher than 30, because anything higher than that, it's going to be really hard to hear your original audio. Instead, you want to keep it relatively quiet so that you can still hear what you're saying if you want that to be part of the video. So there you have it. Now you know how to create a reel with your original audio and how to add music to it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, or better yet, leave me a comment below. I have new videos out each and every Wednesday. Until next time, peace!